Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff. Hi. Big shout out to all my patrons on Patreon. You guys help me to do this full time, and that means so much to me. Thank you so much for supporting me directly, and I'll see you soon. You've already seen this video. If you'd like some deluxe weirdness, head on over to Patreon. There's a link in the description. If you'd like your name in the end credits, the Starry Spaniel tier is for you, and there's more information on the other tiers available through that link. This video is sponsored by both my Patreon and Tula. Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. Don't mind my hair. There's a whole other video coming out about it. Don't worry about it. It's okay. What's that? You want some knowledge? I got you. So you might have noticed, if you've been subscribed to the channel for a while or even not a while, Fluffnugget has really blossomed, like for real, not just in length, but in density and health and sheen and shine and luster, all kinds of things. This is the healthiest my hair has ever been, and I wrote down a few of the major reasons that is. I've put a lot of work into my hair, like a lot. A lot of things didn't work. I can make a video about that, stuff that didn't work for me, but I'm trying to focus. I've compiled it into an internet-friendly numbered list. If you know, you know. So first and foremost, hair oil. You knew it was coming, so I figured I'd get it out of the way early. This is hilarious. I'm filming this and I can hear Friday night starting to kick up. I can hear them, the life havers. So if you haven't seen my it wouldn't be my latest video anymore. Well, I'll link it here. If you haven't seen this video, I have a new hair oil I've been testing out, and I am currently testing out. Just stay tuned. I have a whole video of what went down. But I love the oil. That's not the problem. Something else was the problem. I make my own hair and scalp oil. It has a few super, intense ingredients that are known to really stimulate hair growth, and that's not just for the length of my hair, it's also for the density of my hair. I actually have a lot of hair. My hair strands are just so skinny, so it very conveniently looks like I'm bald. Number 2, protective style. Wow, that was pretty good. So protective styling is when you put your hair into a style where it don't move. It don't move. Just kidding, it can move. It's a style that keeps the elements and the trepidations of the world. I like saying trepidations today. For me, that's passion twists, because I can install them myself in 45 minutes, because I'm that girl. These are some quick little crafty hands, okay? I'll tell you that. Things can also include wigs if you're taking care of your hair under them. Personally, wigs throw salt on my fertile ground. Wigs bully me after school, you know. Wigs take my lunch money. I can't do wigs. I'm not good at them. I don't know how to lay them properly, and I neglect my hair underneath. It can't breathe, and they squeeze my scalp. It's just, it's all around a bad time. I like wearing them short term for just a little switch up. That's it. But if you're better at it, by all means do it. Number 3, I set a goal. This is different from my next point. I'll explain in a second. But I looked at images of incredible, beautiful, for me, 4C natural hair, and I decided, I want that. And I put it into the universe, and I focused on it, and I'm very steadily on my way to having the kind of big, fluffy cloud hair that my original OC has, and it's just gonna happen. If you saw my latest couple of videos where I straightened my hair, you'll see I'm getting there. I want my hair to be right here in those middle ribs. That is perfection. That is the perfect length. It is perfect. I want maximum fullness, and I want that length. Outside of that, I'ma cut it. I don't have any time for anything longer. So I focus on a goal. I have a specific goal and I'm going to go for it, because that's what's helped me in all other areas of my life, is setting a goal and focusing on it, having a specific goal, being able to see it, think about it, internalize it, and move forward. When you have a goal, it's very difficult to forget it, you know? And when you have a goal and you've really thought it through and you've envisioned it and you've put it out into the universe and you really believe that you'll get there, you subconsciously move towards that goal. It's like a moth to the flame, but the flame is victory. Let's be victorious together with Tula. Tula is a doctor-founded, clean, effective skincare and wellness brand that is 100% formulated with probiotic extracts and superfoods. Do not eat Tula. Probiotics are a powerful natural ingredient that helps restore the natural balance of your skin's microbiome, soothe and nourish your skin, and boost its appearance. Tula focuses on being healthy, not perfect. They want to empower everyone in their community to feel confident in the skin they're in now. Tula's products are cruelty-free and never tested on animals. The reason I like Tula is because everything absorbs fully into the skin quickly. And for me, personally, that's a sign of efficacy. If my body soaks it up like, oh, give me that, that's a good sign to me. I'm especially impressed with their vitamin C serum. There's a lot of vitamin C serums out on the market, and this is by far the fastest absorbing one, especially if you're not really into the glazed donut look. I would highly recommend it. You get all of the powerful ingredients without any of the greasy for some, glowy for others look. I'm also a huge proponent for wearing sunscreen. Why isn't everyone not wearing sunscreen? Do you understand that the sun is out to get you? I'm a deeply melanated person. I love the sun. I love summer. I love standing outside and just being hot. I know that's not everyone's vibe, but I love it. But I wear sunscreen every day. And while I understand that we on the Cool Kid channel StarPuppy are many shades, many backgrounds, it's really important for me as a dark person to emphasize how much you should be wearing sunscreen, other chocolates. And I know it's really hard for us to find sunscreen that doesn't make us look like we rolled in powdered sugar. So now you have no excuse. Look at what happens when I put this on. If you've already seen it, I'm gonna play it again. That's what I thought. You have no excuse. Check it out in the description box if you don't check out anything else. This is for your health. Go to Tula.com and use code StarPuppy to get 15% off your Tula purchase. Number 4 came directly from Nap85. Several months ago, she said something that was really impactful to me on her channel. She said, I'm gonna use a different word, don't be enraptured by other people's hair. What I interpreted that as is, don't covet other people's hair. There are so many beautiful heads of hair in this world, and for the majority of my life, I've been looking up and forward at people who have a completely different texture than I do, a completely different genetic makeup than I do, a completely different diet, and like different parts of the world. Like, I've wanted things that are not possible for me, and I've also wanted things that are possible, but I was so impatient at that time, it felt like they were impossible. And I used a lot of my time before my natural hair journey, and especially in the beginning, of wanting someone else's hair so badly, wanting it to be longer or thicker or more coarse, or at certain times in the beginning when I didn't know I had 4C hair or what that was, I wanted someone else's texture because I didn't know that my hair was a thing. You know, kind of setting myself up for failure on that one. But for me, I had already weaned myself off of so many of those bad impulses of wanting what someone else has. but hearing it out loud from a creator I admire so much, it really brought those little last tendrils of, there's still a few in there that you're still hoping and wishing and praying, you know? Coarseness. I wanted more coarseness to my hair. I wanted the individual strands of my hair to be more thick in circumference. That's what. Ta-ta. When am I gonna have that Afro Samurai? When am I gonna have that Atsuko? And I needed to really confront those feelings and honor them and validate them within myself and then let them go, because I can't have Atsuko's hair. Atsuko isn't real. And once I let those feelings go, my hair journey got a lot easier and my hair grew a lot faster. I really think that my body and my subconscious are just waiting for me to get my stuff straight. I think that might be everyone and not just me. But I can speak for myself, and I think I'm the one who's in my way most of the time. Number 5, I think. This is why I don't do numbered lists. I stopped measuring my hair with a literal measuring tape. I stopped. For me, like at its healthiest, my hair tends to hover around 8 to 10 inches. And even though I had so much success with my hair oils and snatching my hair back for like 2 years now, from like the brink of destruction, the length hasn't really changed that much. And for me, that was really discouraging, mostly last year, where I would see my hair still hovering about 8, 9, 10 inches, and it could never really seem to get past that point. So I really started to let go of numbers to validate how great my hair was progressing and being. And I just kind of use my eyes. I look at my hair a lot because I have to edit all of this. And just to physically see how much my hair has improved in luster and shine and body and density, and the ends look a lot better now too. It's just like, obviously I am progressing, but if I put a number to things, numbers being so finite and lasting, it really undermines all the work I've been doing and all the progress Fluffnugget makes. So I stopped doing that, which is why I will not be doing a length check. This is the only length I need, however long this is. Another thing, aloe vera. Let me tell you, the Asian grocery stores, they know me. They know who I am. They see me walking up from the parking lot and they're like, polish up the aloe vera, son. Here comes that one chick. I have a literal video of me trying aloe vera for the first time, like fresh aloe vera, and it literally changed how I engage with my hair. I incorporate so many more raw, natural ingredients in my hair routine now because of that experiment. It makes my hair feel strong. It makes my scalp really like bouncy. But like, that's a good thing. It's just bouncy scalp sounds like an 18th century affliction. Boing. Aloe vera has like an immediate effect, and that's always a good thing. I just get 2 big old leaves. I slather like half a leaf over my little pea head, and then I slather some more on my face, and then I slather the rest of my legs. Like, I'm just rolling in aloe vera, and my entire body really likes aloe vera. I think it's so important for people to incorporate natural things. Not everything has to be perfectly natural, shelf life and formulation, allergies. These things are where store-bought products come in because consistency and shelf stable. But If you can punch up your routine with a natural product like honey or aloe vera or the next thing I'm gonna say, do it. Because first of all, if you can eat it and you can put it on your skin, you can probably put it on your hair. I like things that I can put everywhere and even consume. It makes such a big difference to me to know that I'm doing things that are natural. Also, I really like cutting aloe vera. It's very satisfying. Next, Ayurveda. I have a video of me trying Ayurveda for the first time. I believe I was using amla powder, brahmi powder maybe? I literally have a video of me trying Ayurveda for the first time, and the results are immediate. Like, it's that day. I will caution you to not use too much brahmi powder. I think it might be a natural protein treatment, and last time I used it, I went a little too hard with the brahmi powder and my hair was a little stiff, so be careful. But personally, I can go ham with the amla powder, aloe vera, sweet almond oil, and olive oil, jojoba oil. I'm essentially cooking. You've seen how well my hair is thickened back up and how quickly it's like filled back up, because do you realize I've had broken hairs at my scalp for years and now my hair is all one length except the top. Shh, we don't talk about the top. The top has been through a lot of follicular trauma has happened up there. I'm not actually kidding. Me and that section have a long sordid history. But for you, I think it'll be fine. Hibiscus. So hibiscus is a type of flower, and I keep toying with the idea of getting a hibiscus plant. I'm looking at my table of plants right now, and I'm like, a hibiscus would look real good over there. So I could harvest it myself. That would be so cool. But for me, hibiscus is a delicious tea, and I also have hibiscus powder, which I incorporate into my wash days. If you need more information, check out that video. I'm also going to link it down below. I'm going to link everything I'm talking about below too, except self-acceptance. I can't link that. Wish I could. If I could, I would. Trust me. So hibiscus powder is known to strengthen hair and fortify hair. It also brightens skin. You can literally pound hibiscus powder and put it on your skin, I believe. Do a patch test. I use hibiscus powder in my deep conditioning treatments, and it's always so beautiful. It strengthens my hair. It makes it soft, and it smells so good. Every time I'm pouring it in, I'm like, that's another thing that I've incorporated, and it has results. Look at how much it made my hair grow. It really has helped. And you see how full these buckshots are? We like to focus it on this area. I want those buckshots to be nice and thick. It's hunting season. Anyway, I upload on Tuesdays. Lots of hair content like this. I'm actually thinking about bringing back the advice channel. The advice content on this channel for those of you who found me through the 20s series. Let me know in the comments what you would like me to talk about or any questions that you have for me. Because I'd like to diversify my content, and I think I'm in my world is in a stable enough place to incorporate multiple uploads a week. Very exciting. Haven't done that in a few months, several months. I don't know why I said few. And I'd like to help where I can. That's a big passion of mine. I'm pretty sure a lot of long-term viewers know that. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. And thank you so much to my Starry Spaniel tier on Patreon. They let me know that it's okay to take a break, because I've been suffering much for the last couple of weeks. Oh wait, that's the world mostly. But and I'm so happy that our special guest is right here. Starry Spaniels, you know who that would be. But thank you so much to you guys, and thank you so much. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, I'll leave a link in the description. If you'd like to have your name in the credits, the Starry Spaniel tier is for you, and I'll see you next time. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo. StarPuppy signing out. Say it with me now. StarPuppy. Away! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.